This is the new Manfiter car scratch remover Nano cloth. It is multi-purpose and does fix and polish light paint scratches. It comes in a small box, but it has everything. It has the gloves and it has all the instructions needed in the bag. Then just go to your car and clean the area to be treated from any dirt, dust and water, and put on your gloves to be protected the whole time. You should avoid any direct sun or any rain during the whole time and for the next 3 days after the treatment. So open the bag and take out the towel which is needed for the treatment and wipe a couple of times over the area with the scratch or dirt. And now put the towel back into the bag and seal it so it's ready for another 15 to 20 uses. So after 3 days it's ready for daily use and excess material will be washed away. So it's really super easy for everybody can do that, and everything is in the box, so you don't have to buy anything else, and it fits for all colors. You don't have to worry about different colors. It fits for every car. So this is an awesome thing. It's super cheap, super easy. There are absolutely no excuses not to do that. So go on Amazon, buy the thing, and you will be really happy.